Okay, but the way this 1942 has me never want to drink ever again. Do not believe the hype. Y'all, I was down for a whole day. Look at my house. Look at my roof. It is time to get this house in order. Let's get to it. You know when you get that sudden urge to clean your entire house? Yeah, that was me today. So come spend the day with a full-time content creator. And I personally love watching people make cleanup videos, and I never make them. So that's what we're doing today, y'all. I get so many packages, so many PR, so many collabs. Like I have boxes on top of boxes just everywhere. It's time to get rid of them. And I finally got my pink vacuum, y'all. It is so freaking cute. I got it from the TikTok shop. Let me tell you a little bit about TikTok shop and their Black Friday sales because they are coming through. You can get everything 30% off. Like, yes, I love it. So why do men think PS5s is some type of decor? Like, it's not decor. I got this TV console just so I can hide it. And all of this mess is from one day of being down and hungover. Y'all, I pride myself in never having a hangover. And honestly, I don't think I want to drink anymore, how bad I was feeling. But yeah, I got to hype up the vacuum again because it has 3 different settings. It stays charged for so long. Now it's time to season up the carpet and bring out that vacuum again. I'm just obsessed with it. Can you tell? It just makes me want to clean up. And here is the final product. We are done. Let me know if y'all want to see me clean my bedroom and my bathroom upstairs because we made footage of that too. And let me know if y'all want to know some more of these Black Friday deals because they are coming.